So I'll put this water for, let me put it aside. When that as well, so that I will not make the entire place too busy. So this is half kilo of meat. How much is half kilo of meat in just now? That's, is it 2,500? Yeah, 2,500 naira. It's 2,500. We don't know how we're going to do this Christmas. Okay. So yeah, this is what we have. I'm going to first put in the onions. When you want to make your beef sauce, you first fry your onions. Then you go in with paste. Once the onions fries, give it a very good mix and allow it to fry too. Seriously, yes, how much is it there? A half kilo is 2,500, so if you want to buy a kilo, that's 5,000 naira. So you fry this. Mind you, I have fried the beef here. You know, I have fried my beef inside the oil, so it's having that beef aroma, so nice and yummy. Before I'll go in with the tomato blend, tomato and pepper blend. And give it a very good mix too. So I was actually boiling this earlier. I was boiling the tomato and pepper blend just to remove excess water from blending. So you can see it's already cooking. What I will do is I'll put the beef immediately, because I don't want the beef to be different from the stew. It is beef sauce. So I put the beef immediately, give it a very good mix. If you are following, let me know in the comment section. Just write I am following in the comment section. So you give it a very good mix. Then I'll allow everything to now cook together. While I put some spices just to make it sweeter, sweet, and yummy and tasty. Was the beef cooked already? Yes, it was cooked already. It was cooked and we fried it too. We fried the beef and cooked the beef. But I want the stew aroma, feeling and everything